Hello, we just got on the Queen Mary and I'm gonna make a YouTube video about being vegan on the Queen Mary because I couldn't find any video on YouTube when we were getting ready for this trip, so I want to show everyone what they have and stuff.
Hello, so I've been back from the trip for a few months now. This is one of my new rat babies. He really likes grooming my mouth. His name is Einstein. I've been back from the trip for a while now, and I just wanted to say that I was very pleasantly surprised by all the vegan options they had. I was very well fed. I didn't have to make my own meals. They were very good about feeding me. They had tons of vegan options, and I'm just very impressed. And yeah, I hope this video helps other people. When we were planning this trip, I was having a little anxiety about getting on this cruise ship and there being no options for vegans, but they had a lot of options, and I hope it helps somebody out there who's planning on going on the Queen Mary and is vegan. Thanks for watching.